Hello everyone, welcome to the very first lesson of Kazakh tutorial. This channel aims at providing basic grammatical introduction to Kazakh for beginners. During the courses, you are able to learn grammatical structure of Kazakh, to learn certain number of vocabularies, and to understand Kazakh at certain level. So let's get started. Before starting the lesson, I would like to give short introduction on Kazakh language. Kazakh is a Turkic language mainly spoken in Central Asia. Kazakh belongs to Kipchak branch of Turkic languages. It is closely related to Kyrgyz, Nogay, and the Karakalpak. Kazakh speakers mainly live in Kazakhstan, China, Mongolia, and Russia. Kazakh has more than 14 million speakers in Kazakhstan and about 2 million speakers in China. Kazakh spoken in Kazakhstan is written in Cyrillic script, while Kazakh varieties in China use Arabic script. We've mentioned Kazakh belongs to Turkic language family, so what is it? Turkic is one of world's major language families, consisting of a higher number of different languages and varieties that manifest notable similarities and differences. The present-day Turkic languages can be divided into 6 main branches, such as Oghuz, Kipchak, Karluk, Siberian, Chuvash, and Kalach, of which Oghuz branch involves Turkish, Azeri, Turkmen, and so on. Kipchak branch contains Kazakh, Kyrgyz, Tatar, Bashkir, and so on. Uyghur and Uzbek belong to Karluk branch. Tuan, Altai, Shor, other Turkic languages belong to Siberian group. Chuvash and Kalach groups only contain those two individual languages. There are 42 letters in Kazakh Cyrillic alphabet such as A, B, V, G, G, D, E, J, Z, I, K, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, T, U, Ü, H, Ş, and E. The letters F, V, T, Ç, Ş, Ye, Yo, Yu, Ya, and two other signs are not natural Kazakh sounds, so they are only used in Russian loanwords. If you are not familiar with the alphabets, don't worry, we will learn the alphabet in next video one by one. In this course, I will use simple Latin transcription to transcribe Cyrillic alphabet. In following table, you can see the comparison of Cyrillic, IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, and the Latin transcription of 33 Kazakh sound system. This convention will be used hereafter. Grammatically, Kazakh is an agglutinative language using bound morphemes instead of free morphemes, which is to say that Kazakh uses suffixes instead of prefix, and those suffixes are attached to word stem. For example, the word balalarıma consists of the stem bala, the plural suffix lar, first person possessive suffix and the dative case a, meaning to my children. Likewise, gördüm is consisting of the stem kör, to see or to watch, the past tense the, and the first person form which means I saw. In Kazakh, the nouns can be followed by plural markers, possessive suffix, and case markers. Kazakh has 6 case markers, by the way. For instance, the noun mekteplerinin, from your schools, is attached by plural suffix, second person possessive suffix, and ablative case. Kazakh verbs can be attached by voices such as passive, causative, reflexive, and reciprocal, negation, aspect markers such as perfect or imperfect, tense markers like past, future, and present, mood markers such as conditional, imperative, voluntative, or optative, personal markers or conjugation. For example, within the words "aytbayman," the verbal stem ait, to say or to tell, is followed by the negation pa, the future tense I, and the first person marker man, meaning I won't say. The basic word order in Kazakh is SOV, which is subject, object, verb, or predicate. In following example, men kitapta okuyman, I will read the book, whose subject is men, object is kitapta, that is in the accusative case. The predicate is okuyman, that bears the future tense and the first person singular marker. The direct translation of the sentence would be I book read. Here is the abbreviation list used in this video in case you missed them. In today's lesson, we have learned Turkic language family, Kazakh language, its speakers, alphabet, and the basic grammar system. Please keep in mind that the Latin transcription system you provided earlier will be used in this tutorial. Therefore, you need to learn them by heart. Thank you for watching and see you next time.